Hi, this is John Rowland with Highland Park Lapidary, and I'm just going to shoot you a little walkthrough. We're building another big batch of equipment. You can kind of see some of it behind me. I'll switch the camera around and give you a walkthrough. Alright, so we've got a whole bunch of slab saws up on deck right now, almost done. There's 18s, a couple 24s on the right. We got 24s and 16s on the left, almost done. Just got to drop vices on them, belts, a couple need feed screws. And then we got an army of 14 HT drop saws. I'm just waiting on hinges for the belt guards, and then they'll be done. More 24s over here, and back here ultrasonic drills. Almost all the ultrasonic drills are put together now, about ready to be tested. And some of our new big vibratory tumblers I'm testing right now on one of those units. And we got R1Ms underway, almost done. Some 220 units, some 110 volt units, and a bunch of stuff in crates that we just crated up. And we're packaging oil this morning because we're constantly fighting the battle to stay ahead of the oil. A little disorganized this morning, just because we need to get a container out of here. And I got more 18 carriages. I got a machine because I'm out of carriages. And I'm machining some more hydraulic sphere machine parts. Down here on the machining aisle, making forming machine parts, shaping machine. Got some new stock in, and this is the cartridge, the new cartridge assembly for I made a design change on the shaping machines to make it a lot easier to service in the field, mostly because serviceability is part of what allows you guys to be able to manage your own equipment and not have to quote unquote call a mechanic. I really like allowing people to be independent and manage their own equipment and make it really easy. That's why we shoot all these videos, show you how we build the stuff and show you how to service the stuff, because it's not a mystery or magic. It's accessible to anyone with rudimentary mechanical skills, and we'll teach you those skills, and that's why our videos are here to do. Anyway, that's a little bit of what's going on here right now. We got more coming. We're ready to build a big batch of shaping machines.